Well, it's been labelled the royal court case of the century. Prince Harry's battle with the British press heating up as opening statements are presented at the High Court in London. To discuss, we're joined by the Associate Editor of The Telegraph, Camilla Tominey. So good to see you, Camilla. The gloves are off.
The gloves are off, although the main principal isn't present in court. So Prince Harry actually got a bit of a rebuke today from Justice Fancourt because he was meant to be there this morning, my time, for the start of this trial. In fact, he remained in Los Angeles because it's his daughter's second birthday, Lilibet, celebrating that on June the 4th. So his lawyer, David Sherborne, was asked by the judge why he wasn't there. That was the explanation given. So we're expecting him to appear in court Tuesday, my time, so a little later for you guys over there. And he could be giving evidence for as much as 1.5 to 2 days, would you believe? That's what the Mirror Group's lawyer is saying they need to extract from Harry in order to go through all of these 33 articles he claims may have been obtained by illegal means.
I mean, is it just fodder that he wasn't there for day one? He's not giving evidence until the second and third days.
Well, I think Justice Fancourt thought that he should have been there for the opening of the trial and made that very clear to his barrister, David Sherborne. Obviously, he's giving daddy duties as an excuse, and maybe parents out there would sympathise that he wants to be with his daughter on her second birthday, but it's the big appearance on Tuesday that's interesting. Timing as well is intriguing. Once again, the King is not in the country for Prince Harry's visit. He's been in Romania, in Transylvania, so there won't be any royal rapprochements anytime soon, because I can't quite imagine Prince William right now scheduling time in the diary to meet up with his erstwhile brother either.
No, well, that's the thing. I mean, how is the family feeling about all of this?
Well, I think the family's probably feeling a bit put out by yet more revelations to come. On one hand, there will be sympathy with Prince Harry pursuing this case in the interests of justice for him, with the Mirror Group having already admitted to a degree of phone hacking and offering compensation. Prince William took a different tack when he engaged in court activity with the Sun newspaper group. He settled out of court, and we think he took around £1 million. His brothers decided to take it all the way. He's described himself as being on a mission to reform the press, and he wants to challenge the claims in court directly. But of course, the fallout from that is that he has to make quite personal revelations about his family. We've already seen that in witness statements, talking about his brother, talking about how he felt like the black sheep of the family, making allegations about the palace and the press colluding. So it doesn't make for very comfortable reading for the House of Windsor, even if it is good for his own one-man mission to change the media.
Yeah, that's for sure. It could get even uglier. Camilla, thanks so much for your insight. Appreciate it. Welcome back. Let's take a look at what's making headlines around the world now. And Prince Harry has been accused of wasting the High Court's time after he failed to turn up on the first day of his phone hacking trial.
Let's go live to Europe correspondent Carrie-Anne Greenbank, who has been following the high-profile trial. Carrie, good morning to you. Was there a reason behind the no-show?
Good morning, Carl. Well, Prince Harry's lawyer is saying that he has different security arrangements to the other witnesses, and it was also noted that he was in LA yesterday attending the birthday party of his 2-year-old daughter, Lilibet. The judge did appear frustrated, though, in London's High Court, saying that he was a little surprised that Prince Harry didn't show, especially because he had been asked to be there to be available to give evidence if needed. The lawyer for the Mirror Group newspapers accused Harry of wasting time, saying it was, and I quote, absolutely extraordinary that he wasn't available on day one of his own trial. What this means now, though, is that the Duke of Sussex will be giving evidence in the witness box under oath tomorrow. That will mean he is the first senior royal in 130 years to give evidence in court like this, and he has been waiting for years to take this fight to the courts. He will be aiming to prove that over an almost 2-decade period, newspaper stories that were written about him used information that was illegally obtained through phone hacking and voicemail interception. So it is set to be a very big day in London's High Court tomorrow, Carl.
Huge one, Carrie, thank you.
Hey there, Today fans. Sarah and...
What's my name again?
Oh my goodness, Carl.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel, though. Subscribe now for more news, special reports and amazing Aussie stories.
And Carl misbehaving,
Whoa,
of course.
that never happens.
Always happens.
What's she talking about?